Hello, everyone. Every day begins with trust. You trust they'll arrive safely. You trust they'll be exactly where they're supposed to be. And sometimes it only takes a moment to lose sight of what matters most. School, playgrounds, vacations, family outings, you can't be everywhere at once. The truth is, no parent wants to imagine losing track of their child, but every parent wants to be prepared. Introducing the tag8 Dolphin Watch Tracker Rex iOS, a comfortable everyday wristband powered by Apple's Find My network, designed for the people you care about most. Getting started takes less than a minute. First, hold the tag8 Dolphin Tracker Rex. Place the tracker into the wristband holder. Press firmly until it clicks securely into place. That's it. The wristband is now ready to wear. Now you're ready to track the things that matter most. Next, open Apple's Find My app. Add your Dolphin Tracker Rex, give it a name, and you're connected to the world's largest Find My network. Need to know where it was last detected? Open Find My and view its location directly on a map. Get directions and head there with confidence. Can't find it nearby? Use Play Sound and let the tracker guide you. Finding it takes seconds. If it ever goes missing, activate Lost Mode. The Apple Find My network helps securely detect and update its location, making recovery easier when you need it most. And because every child has their own style, the tag8 Dolphin Watch Tracker Rex iOS is available in 7 vibrant color options. Choose the one they'll love wearing every day. Because peace of mind isn't about expecting the worst. It's about being prepared when life becomes unpredictable and knowing exactly where to look when it matters most. tag8 Dolphin Watch Tracker Rex iOS. Comfortably they can wear. Confidence you can carry. You can't watch them every second, but you can always know where to look.